everyone, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel, and this is a giveaway announcement for the Parsonver Smart Watch. Remember, this is the pink one, not the black one. If you didn't watch the video, the link is down below. I'm putting it right here as well. So this is a smartwatch that also receives calls, so you can answer calls. And you can read messages, it can read your email, and all of this good stuff. But other than giving you time, it will also count your steps, count your calorie, count your distances, check your heart rate, check your blood oxygen level, and your stress level. So it's the upgraded version of mine, which is charging right now. That's why I'm not wearing it. So I told you I would bring Willie, and Willie is going to... Hi.
Hi.
He doesn't want to be on camera today. And Willie is going to pick the winner. So what I did was open my app for YouTube with the video, and then these are all your comments, okay? And everybody who commented that they want to be part of the giveaway is in there. So I'm going to start from the bottom, okay? And I'm going to go up and down and up and down. You have to give me time. Okay, and then when you say stop, I'll pick whoever, and this is open internationally. So if you are in Egypt, I'll send it to you. If you're in pick a country. Okay, what did you say? Thailand?
Yeah.
All right, so if you're in Thailand, I'll send it to you in Thailand. Okay, are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, should we have a drum roll? Drum roll. All right, Willie, I am hold on, I need my glasses.
You're on your latest comments.
I'm on my latest comments. You can see from that far?
Yes.
Wow. That's nuts. You can see from that far?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, I'm going up or down or whatever. Alright. And you let me know. You tell me stop.
Stop.
What does it say?
Leanne B6622.
Leanne B6622. 10 days ago. She says, please enter me in the giveaway. I was just thinking the pink was really nice. Thank you. So Leanne B6622. Send me an email at mygreatchallenge at gmail.com, right here. Give me your address and I will ship this watch to you. Congratulations on winning the giveaway. Thank you for everyone who participated. And by the way, you can still get the watches, all of the watches on the website at 50% off if you use my coupon code. The info is down below. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Bye, hon.
Bye.
Thank you for participating. I enjoy doing those giveaways, and I just want to say that every time I do a review and a company asks me to do a review, I always ask them for discount code and giveaways. And if they can give me a giveaway, I'll do one. Most of them will give you a discount code that I share with you, but this one was a giveaway. So enjoy it, Leanne. Again, thank you everyone who participated, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.